Hey guys, today we are doing burgers. I want to see you using anything but 80-20. That's all you want to use. Don't look at 90-10. This is the perfect amount of fat. Use it. I'm going to show you some tricks and ways I used to do it in restaurants. Makes a fantastic burger. It's not pretentious, it's just a great burger. Let's get this going. Do not use that many onions. That is way too many onions. We don't want a little bit. We're going to use the rest for something else. You want to be able to taste the meat. We're not making an onion burger. We're making a beef burger. We want to taste the beef. We just want to enhance the beef. Get a little garlic in here. Just kind of eyeballing this. Sorry, I don't got no measurements for you. If you like onions, put more onions. Don't like onions, well, don't put any onions at all, but it goes great with the meat. Garlic, I love garlic. I'm putting a lot of garlic in there. Salt, pepper. I'm gonna get an electric one day. A little Worcestershire. Yes, that is how you actually pronounce it. Worcestershire. Will get the Brits angry at you. Ketchup, a nice little acidity and a nice little tomato flavor in there. A little mustard, gets a little more bite in there. Goes great with the tomato. Parsley, a great option to put in your burgers. Not a lot of people do this. Gives you just this amazing freshness, fresh flavor to the meat when you're biting into. Put it into a nice tight little ball. For tortilla chips. Unsalted, just plain, but we're gonna put that in there. People like to say this is filler. This is not filler. That is completely wrong. Don't say that. We're gonna bust this up into really fine, small pieces, and what this is gonna do, it's gonna absorb that fat. It doesn't just drip out into the pan. It's actually gonna stay in that patty. Gives you more moisture in the burger. When you add this, you do breadcrumbs as well. I just like the little extra flavor you get from the corn and the corn tortilla chip. Trust me guys, you want it in there. It's gonna absorb all the grease and the fat. It's gonna stay inside the meat to make the juiciest burger you have ever had. You do want to put an egg in there. Help bind it all together. Is it even a burger if it doesn't have a slice of red onion on it? I don't think so. These amazing heirloom tomatoes. Look at these guys. Beautiful, right? Look at this one. Cooking tomatoes. I don't always cook meat on a non-stick griddle, but here we are. Let's try this out. Woo! Already smells so good, and it just started. We got all those sugars in there. The Worcester, the ketchup, gives you that extra caramelization. Throw down some butter. The buns should be good. With beautiful caramelization. Those beautiful buns. Brioche. Hopefully somebody else is cleaning this up. Ooh, smell amazing. Let's plate this sucker up. We got our beautiful toasted brioche bun. Beautiful crust on it. Seasoned sour cream here. I'll put it on both sides. Got some beautiful gorgonzola, blue cheese, beautiful patties on there. Beautiful tomatoes, red onion. Do not give me a burger without pickles on it. We'll hunt you down. Beautiful frisee lettuce here, nice and crispy. Frisee's got a little bite to it. It's great. It's gonna go really balanced with that sweetness of the pickles. Got the pungency of the blue cheese, the burger, the bite of the onion, juiciness of the tomato and the meat. Oh guys, I can't tell you, I'm kind of excited right now. Oh, aye. Woo. Woo. Spit out. Woo. Damn, that's good. One of you burger joints need to serve me a burger like this, and I'll come to your restaurant every day.